pleasure to be here at SME RAPID. It's one of the best shows in our industry and the largest in the US. And thank you very much for having us at DM here. I have a couple different things I want to highlight. This is our new Pure Sinter furnace. It's the first major innovation in furnace technology in decades. This is the first system that can get to extremely high purity in the femtoparts of oxygen range. You can sinter parts with forming gas and nitrogen and a number of different other atmospheres. Very unique. If you come here and see the retort architecture, this is the first furnace that has a silicon carbide retort that can do MIM class type parts. Very modular. You can do a variety of different shelves, and you're able to do very high quality parts on the system. It is almost 4 times faster than our prior generation furnace. So 4x the throughput, and it does not have any cold spots inside the work area. It is actually a fantastic product. You can see it here in all its glory, and we're really proud of this innovation. Many years of research to get this into the market. Well, this is available now, and this is going to allow you to do parts much faster with higher quality and better mechanical properties for metal components that need to be sintered. Let me show you now our figure G15, which are the parts that form sheet metal digitally. We have a really innovative product that started shipping in Q1 called the figure G15. It is the first system that is able to form sheet metal, which is a very large industry, fully digital. So no need for tooling and other stamping applications, which is how traditionally sheet metal has been formed. It's a really revolutionary piece of equipment and really changes the cost structure of making body panels, body in white, and other systems. And you can see the surface finish that you can achieve with this system. So if you were making cars, in 20 minutes you can do the hood of a vehicle. You can form most types of sheet metal, from Inconels to stainless to aluminum, titanium, different gauges. This industry has huge growth in the future. It's taken forever to get here, but it's obviously sensitive to interest rates. But I believe that this is going to be a market that will be several times the size of our current market is today. So I love printing. It is so much fun to form a shape from nothing and do things that you couldn't do before. It's really fun. It is so important to congregate and get together with your partners, competitors, customers, and really share ideas and look at new ways to do things and work together. So industry is at a key time, and I think we need to work together to make it successful.